Welcome to Rebecca Dainty Sweets cooking channel. Today I'll be showing you on how to make a simple egg omelet. Making an omelet is very easy to make, so let's get started. The ingredients you'll be needing are 2 eggs, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, a small onion, 1 green onion, which are optional, oil, butter, and now the tools are cutting board, a small bowl, a medium-sized frying pan, a knife, a fork, and a wooden spatula. It is better to use a wooden spatula because the metal one tends to break the egg when you're flipping it. Also, I'll be putting the ingredients in the description below. Let's get started to the procedures. So what we're going to do is dice your green onion and your yellow onion, and then you're going to set them aside in a plate or in a bowl, and then we're going to start with the second step. Now we're going to get a bowl and crack your 2 eggs into the bowl and stir it. I know by accident I kind of spilled the egg, but I cleaned it up after. And then after that you're going to add in your salt and your black pepper, and you're going to stir it again, and then we're going to go on to the third step. For step 3, you're going to turn on your stove to medium heat, and then you're going to put a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of oil and let it melt. Okay, now I'm going to speed up the process for melting the butter and oil. First, you're going to pour your egg mixture into the pan. Then you're going to make sure your egg is evenly distributed around the pan. Once you do that, wait until the top layer of the egg is cooked. I will speed up the process of the egg cooking. Okay, so now it's time to start adding your toppings. You can add any type of toppings you want. I'm going to be adding some green onions and some yellow onion that I chopped up earlier, and we're going to put it inside on top of the egg. Then you're going to slowly make sure that the egg is not sticking to the bottom and the edges. Then you're going to slowly flip it halfway, and then you're going to flip it again to close it. So it should be like 2 layers. And after that, we're gonna take out the pan, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks on the plate. Now you just take the omelet out of the pan and place it onto a plate, and then you can put any toppings you want on top of it. I just put some more green onions and green and yellow onions, but you could add cheese, tomatoes to make it look nice and tasteful. But other than that, that's how you make a simple, easy omelet. And thanks for watching.